This side. Put your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Let me see your hands! I got you.
At approximately 7:36 p.m. AMO agents located the vehicle on Hull Ranch Road. Multiple Border Patrol agents responded to the area, approximately 2 miles north of the Naco port of entry. Border Patrol agents and other law enforcement officers staged their vehicles at the intersection of Hull Ranch Road and Narco Highway as the Infinity continued west to the dead end of Hull Ranch Road. AMO agents provided overwatch by hovering over the Infinity. AMO agent opened the left rear door of the helicopter to identify himself as law enforcement to the driver of the Infinity. The driver reversed and headed back east along Hull Ranch Road towards the row of stationary law enforcement vehicles, then drove into an open field south of the road. One of the Border Patrol agents at approximately 7:38 p.m., as he stopped his vehicle near the field, he heard the air unit broadcast over the radio that the driver of the Infinity was shooting out his window. The agent also reported that at the same time, he could hear gunshots coming from the Infinity as it came into view in the open field. Border Patrol agent fired 13 bullets from his M4 carbine rifle at the driver. Law enforcement personnel from the Bisbee Police Department, Sierra Vista Police Department, County Sheriff's Office also fired their weapons. The Infinity continued eastbound, crossed over Naco Highway, and came to a stop in the field. At approximately 7:40 p.m. agents and officers approached the Infinity and removed the driver from it.
Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Put your hands where I can see them! Keep your hands where I can see them!
Put your hands in the fucking air! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Right.
Hey. Put your hands up!
Y'all get them out.
I'll start it from here.
Let me see your fucking hands!
Show me your fucking hands now!
We'll go over with the horse so that we can help with that.
I got it. We got you.
Fucking move!
Hey, he was shooting at me on the way here. Watch his hands. Watch it, watch it.
Just open the door and go out.
Can we get him out this side? Put your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Let me see your hands! Coming out the back!
What's up?
Right here, right here.
Back up.
Get out.
Not on me. It's in me somewhere. Hey, look at me. Oh, my arm. Hey, my arm, watch out. Help, help, man. Help him up, help him up. Help him up. EMS. EMS. Hey, you got a medic? Yeah, we got a medic. Yeah, my bag's in the back. If you got it, you want to go grab it. Don't move. Don't move. I'm going to turn it on your arm. Don't move, okay? Don't move. Don't move. We're running in. Don't move. Hey, let's clear this trip. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt, bro. It's just... I can't see. I can't see. We're helping you, bro. Here. So tourniquet applied. You need that one on the leg, too. Where's another one? Okay. Don't move, bro. Don't move.
Help me.
We're helping you.
Breathe.
Get that?
Can't breathe. Leg. My leg.
Second turn. Here you go.
Help me.
We got one right here. Does anyone have any cloths, anything like that?
Oh, yeah. I got a med bag.
Help me, please.
We're trying to, bro. Just don't move.
Take his leg straight.
Help.
His leg straight. His leg straight.
I got one on the hole. We need some cloth. Back.
Help. Help. Help me. Please. Help.
Under my thumb. It's right under my thumb.
Can you dump some water on me, please?
Stop moving, dude. Stop moving. Ready? Don't move. Ready?
Help. Help.
Fuck. Is the tourniquet doing its job? Let's see. Just leave it.
Get some water.
Stop moving. You have another cloth?
Stand by. Chest wound.
You got a chest wound?
Okay.
Help me. Help. I can't breathe.
We got one on.
I can't breathe.
I get that.
I can't breathe.
Get outside. Get outside.
Dump some water on my face.
Puncture
Dump
lungs.
some water on my face.
You guys trying to shut? Okay.
I got two in the chest. Grab this. Yep.
Help me. I need water.
Hey,
Water.
I'm moving. You're good, man. Keep breathing for me.
I can't. I need water.
Here's another one.
I got another chest seal if you need it. 146.
You want it from the back?
Just 5 seconds.
You know? Oh. You check the back yet?
I can't work that way. I can. Back.
One, two, click. We got an exit one. We got one exit.
Here's another chest. Help me. Can I get some water, please? Please. A little bit of water, bro. I can't breathe.
At approximately 7:50, 5 p.m. Bisbee Fire Department EMS arrived on scene, provided additional medical care, and transported the subject to the Bisbee Fire Department station. There they met air evac services and the subject was flown to a medical facility for advanced trauma care.
They're landing a helo out here.
Really?
Per Border Patrol.
I need to take myself.
Station. Yeah.
Well, somebody needs to clarify.
Can I get some water, please?
Grab the gurney. Let's load and go.
We're not hitting veins, so.
All right, yeah. We're probably going to have to drill him, so it's
Okay.
it is what it is.
Perfect.
We're just going to try and get the gurney over here, get him on as quick as we can, and we'll start working on the way to the station. Does anybody have anything else, gauze or something, just to kind of splint up this wrist right quick, and we'll...
Oh, yeah, absolutely. There should be a person.
I mean, if you want to splint, I got it.
It's just something hard to keep it from getting any worse if we can here.
We're working on it, man.
Water.
Here you go.
Please. Please, let me get some water, bro. How? Fuck.
Doesn't have to be pretty.
Nope. I'm not making it.
No.
Do we have times on tourniquets?
We called it out loud. It should be with our dispatch.
Yeah, it's noted on our call, but I don't know what time. Do you have a backboard here?
Yep, let's do it.
So he's got 2 to the chest, 1 to
Whose light
the
is this?
wrist.
The subject was declared deceased on scene by the Rural Metro Fire Department. CBP's National Use of Force Review Board reviewed this incident and determined all involved Border Patrol agents were compliant with the CBP use of force policy. The Yuma County Sheriff's Office, the Yuma Police Department, the U.S. CBP Office of Professional Responsibility, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and the Department of Homeland Security Office of Inspector General responded to the scene.
How? Can you write that down somewhere?
1944.
1944?
Go ahead. Do you think? I'll get it. 1944. I got
And
it.
you confirmed helipadded station, right? Yeah, helipadded station. Somebody's going to keep the gate open for you guys. Yeah.
Please, water, bro.
South entrance.
Please.
No water.
Why? He said I love it. I really need some.
1944.
But I can't.
Shove it in.
I can't even get a full breath, bro. Ow.
Relax.
Ow. Ow.
I got it right here.
Ow. Ow.
We probably need to start setting up everything we can for an innovation as soon as the flight crew gets here as well.
Okay. Ow, some water, please.
Hey, roll.
Anything out the back?
One on the back, and maybe
down here.
Okay.
Maybe an exit window.
Go ahead and I believe you bet.
I need water, please. Before we get in the car, please. Please. Water.
We gotta clip it down.
Put your leg down. Put your leg down. There you go.
Where you went to that, man?
There's little cars.
Arizona DPS has concluded their investigation into this incident, and the Cochise County Attorney's Office is pursuing state felony. Charges that included aggravated assault, kidnapping, possession of narcotic drugs for sale, misconduct involving weapons, unlawful flight from a law enforcement vehicle. This incident has been reviewed by CBP's National Use of Force Review Board. CBPOPR has concluded their investigation.
Okay, if you guys want to carry him, I'll get the ambulance set up.
Let's go.
Where's the tight on this
Right there on the right hand side. Right hand side. There you go.
Sorry, dude.
You good.
Yep. All right. I got arms whenever you guys are ready.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
On you guys.
Yep.
Hey. I'm falling off.
You're good. You're not falling off.
Gotcha.
Go.
You're not falling off, dude. We got you. Watch your feet.
I got him.
Help.
Wire on the ground.
We're at.
Right here.